I'm Jason, Assistant Professor from Computer Science and Technology Department. Today we will discuss about the topic transport layer. So before you have to go to the transport layer, first of all you have to know what is called as a transport layer. So transport layer is a process to process communication. Process to process communication. So process to process communication means between the data, the source and the destination, where you have to send the data. You send the data from source to destination along with the different networks. So data is passed to the different networks. So that's why everything divided is called as a process to process communication. So this is called as a transport layer. So there are some functions in the transport layer. One of the main functions is the flow control, error control, the mapping is there, as well as the multiplexing and demultiplexing. So each and everyone know what is called as the multiplexing as well as the demultiplexing. So multiplexing means 1 to many. So you have to get the data from one channel, you have to pass to a different channel. So many to one is a demultiplexing. You receive the data from many channel and you have to send at a single channel. So these are comes under the multiplexing as well as the demultiplexing. So what are the protocol are used in the transport layer? One is the TCP and another is the UDP. So TCP is a transmission control protocol and UDP is a user datagram protocol. So transmission control protocol means it is a connection oriented. UDP is a connectionless protocol. So connection oriented means before you are sending a data, you have to first establish the connection between the sender as well as the receiver. But UDP, if you are sending the data, no need to connection between the sender as well as the receiver. So best example for the TCP is a phone call, video call, as well as a Google Meet, everything comes under the TCP because these are the connection oriented. So connection oriented means before you are sending a data, first you have to establish the connection. So telephone, you dial it and establish the connection, afterward you have to make a call. Then video call, everything, all are present at the same time. But in the UDP, no need for connection establishment. Only you have to sending a data. First example, WhatsApp message, email, etc. comes under the UDP. So one of the main protocol is that TCP, and another one, the main protocol is the UDP. These are the main protocols are used in the transport. So these are the main protocols in the transport layer. One is the TCP and another one is the UDP. So next main topic in the transport layer is the congestion control. So what is called as the congestion control? So there are many controls there. One is the flow control is there, and another is the error control is there. So these are comes under the congestion controls. So flow control, how the data are flow from one end to another. So based on the flow only the control mechanisms take place. Error control. Here also you are sending a data from source to destination. How the errors are characters. So error, how to detect the error and how to rectify the error. So detect the error. Here there is single bit error is there, 2 bit error is there, burst error is there. There are number of errors there. So these all are comes under the congestion controls. So you have to show the flow of data from source to destination. There may be congestion occur. One or more data or one or more sender or one or more receiver, you receive the data, sending data in a single channel. The congestion control will take place. So how will you avoid this congestion control? So one of the algorithm used to be congestion control is leaky packet algorithm. So leaky packet algorithm is one of the mechanism to control or integrate the congestion controls. So how will you normally take the same example? Normally you take it as real time example as the same bucket. So here some flows of water the bucket there are some small holes there. The waters are escaping from this bucket. But at the rate of the flow, the bucket is filled. Here, in the bucket there's some data is there, as well as there is a small hole is there, some leakage is also there. So here the flow of data, here the flow of data is the speed of the flow of data are varying, but the leakage, here the data moves at a constant speed. This is the constant speed. So these are the terms of the leaky bucket algorithm. Next class we will discuss about the next algorithm. Thank you, students.